Hey guys, it's Paul again for ProX. Today we're going to go over our ProX Truss system. Now, what is a truss? A truss is pretty much anything you want it to be. It's basically a structural piece that allows you to mount different objects on them. So who can use a truss? Well, you have DJs, you got them used in trade shows, you go to retail outlets. Where else do you see them? You see them in clubs, bars, you see them indoor, outdoor, places of worship. They're an integral part of entertainment. You go to live concerts and live venues, stage shows, and that's what you see is truss systems all over the place. So what can you put on a truss system? Well, you can put lighting, you can put televisions, you can put projections, you can put banners and backdrops, you can put screens and covering, you can hang fixtures on it. The ProX Truss system is made from a commercial grade aluminum. What does this mean? This means that it gives you the utmost safety and integrity, so you can feel comfortable with whatever you hang on our truss system. Now, our truss system is available in multiple sizes, shapes, and lengths to give you almost limitless possibilities in whatever configuration you want to use. The welding of the ProX Truss is a TIG weld. And basically what that means is that you get a cleaner weld. When you get a cleaner weld, you get a stronger and more durable truss. So, we know what it looks like on the outside. Let me show you some of the finer details of the ProX Truss system.